You're going to add 1 tablespoon of yeast to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup into a bowl. Then you're going to add 1 cup of warm water, and you're going to allow this to stand for about an hour. Combine and leave in a warm place. Once your yeast is ready, you can add 2 cups of whole wheat bread flour. It has to be bread flour. You need more gluten for the bread to become airy and puffy like regular bread is. I also added a teaspoon of flax meal, but you can skip this step. It really doesn't make a difference. I'm going to knead this till I combine it into a ball, and then I'm going to continue kneading it till it becomes a soft consistency. But it's still shaped like a ball, and it's pliable. Then you're going to let it proof and allow the dough to double in size for about 2 hours in a warm area. Then you're going to shape it, bake it, and then eat it. These buns are really good. They're sweet because I added 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, but you don't have to add that much if you don't like them sweet. But I love my whole wheat bread to be sweet. And as you can see the results, it looks really airy. It looks like bread. It tastes like bread. It's delicious. It's super, super good. And you can store it in the freezer or in the refrigerator. Well, there you have it, a really easy bun recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the description below for any more details, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.